What's up, guys? This is your boy Sam, and today we're going to do unboxing. My goods just came. I don't know where we're gonna start. Yangnuo 560 and Mark 4. I got this. So this is my second spill light. So basically it comes like this. So Yangnuo YN 564. It comes with this bag. I like this bag, and it's have a wrapper inside. So, oh yeah, this is the Yangnuo 560, my second flash. Yeah, so we're gonna use this as a master and the other one 560 as a slave. So here we go. Again, we have Yangnuo 50mm lens. I love Yangnuo. I really love Yangnuo brand. So here we go. Here's the lens. Here's the baby boy. Alright. Okay. Has a wrap over here. So, alright. So here's the baby. Here's the baby boy. 50mm. Look at that baby. It's the Yangnuo 50mm lens. It's for portrait. I really needed a 50mm for portrait, a good lens, and a 1.8. It's not bad. It's a good start. For Nikon, I use Nikon D5200. So basically, their lenses they are too much higher for my budget. I went for this first, and then I'll upgrade to 85mm in the future. So for now, Yangnuo 50mm. Yeah. So let's keep it aside. Yeah. So what else we got here? Woo, baby boy. Ha. Woo. Look at that. It's a baby boy. It's Yangnuo LED light 1N 1200. Yeah. This is the light. This is the video light. Woohoo. Actually, right now we're using the Yangnuo 300 to shoot this. So for documentaries and movies, we are going to be using this baby over here. So let's open this baby. Alright. So here's the manual. It comes with the manual. So yeah. Here's the baby boy. Woohoo! It's like a laptop, you know. Woo, nice one. Let's see what's inside. Yangnuo YN 1200. This is it. Yangnuo N. Yeah, exactly. So has nice flaps. You can see it's big. It's actually big. You can see it's big. Without even putting it on. We're going to put it on right now. So I love the flaps. Actually, it has 4 battery ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. And the fan, when it gets hot, you can cool it down. It has its own fan, so the temperature is actually down. It has a knob to control the intensity, and this other side has the same control and channels. It has a Bluetooth. Oh, actually you can. Where's my phone? Where is my phone? Oh, it's charging. It's the charger. So basically, you're going to use this, and oh my god, I need my phone. Oh yeah, you're going to use your smartphone, your Android device to control the intensity from a distance. Like just you download the app. You're going to download the application. Oh yeah, you're going to download the application here, and you're going to be controlling the lights. We're going to show you some of the tests after this. For today's video is just unboxing, baby. Yeah, here's the baby. So this is so much cool. I love you. Mwah. Okay, just stay there. What else is in the box? A warranty card. Whatever that is. Woo. Has something inside here. So let's see what this is a remote. So let's see what the remote looks like. Yeah, here's the baby remote. Woo, looks good. Looks so smart, looks so digital, you know, it's a digital remote. Love this, has an LCD and the battery usage, batteries, it's triple A batteries, you need that. So nice one, looks so professional. A bag to carry this, yeah. And what else? The handle. Actually, the Angno do offer this handle. I like it. But whenever you are putting your light, you know, it's so heavy. The thing is so heavy upside, and then it's like, okay. All right. Does come with filters. Orange filter and a clear filter, so they both have the Yangmio brand on there. So nice one. So how you attach them to the light? Let's see. Okay, come on. Let's see what you got here. Alright, okay. So we got this Yangmio. So you just put magic. It's just magic. It's like spark. It's like, what's this? We're done. We're done. We're done. All right. Okay. Think we're done with that. All right. Let's go to the next thing. What we have here in this box. Let's see. Oh, nice. So this it's we call this umbrella holder or a stand for flash. You can put the light stand over here. We got this. It's really aluminum. I like it. So we're gonna use this later. What else we got here? Let's see what we got here in this little white box. Woo! We got the adapter for the light. Yangmio light. Yeah, it's so strong. I like the jack. When the jack is here, it's not like it's gonna you see this kind of part. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. So whenever you're shooting, guys, this thing won't fall down, won't fall apart, won't just get disconnected. You actually have to look for these rims, yeah, and close it down just like that. You see? So when you close it like that, it means it's firm. Like, it can't. Woo! Safe, you're safe. Let's do it. So this is the adapter for the light, which you buy separately, guys. Doesn't come in the box. Just bought it. It has a big cord, so you can do a big distance from the power source and get your juice running from your lights. That's so amazing. So what else we got here in this box? Okay. Woo! There's a pouch over here, guys. Let's see what you got over here. And the winner of today is drum rolls. And the winner is Jazz. These are Speedlight gels. There are 20 of them. I like them. So I bought these to get back on the Speedlight. So you put them like that, and you get this rubber band, and you close it like let me show you right now. Let's take the blue one, the blue gel, for example, and put it here on the Speedlight head, and take the rubber band and put it around like so. Like, come on, you can do this. Come on, you can do it. So nicely. You can do this. Yeah. You're finishing up, and there you go. It's a blue gel, and look at that, baby. Look at that, so beautiful. Yangmio 560 gels. You got 20 of them, so you're going to do a lot of photography projects. So make sure you subscribe right now so that you can see the projects we're going to do in the coming videos. Hey, let's see what we got here next. Woohoo! We got something big over here. Come on, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So where would you start? From the brown box or the black? Brown or the black brown blah. Yeah, the brown box. All right. Woo! Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do. Let's. Do someone have a knife? Do you have a knife? Do you have something sharp? God, this thing. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, come on. Look at you. What's in here? What's in here? Let's see. What's in here? All right. Okay. What's in here? What's in here? What's? It's done. Woohoo! Yeah. So, nice one. Nice one. Woo! It's a strong stand we got here for the lights, for the video lights actually. Yeah, I got another stand that is so weak, but here's another bro, man, nigga. Ow! So strong, so strong. It's metal. You can hear that? That's completely metal. You can see the hair. So you can be putting this thing over here, the holder, and put it over here. Let me show you. That's right now. Exactly. We got you. We got you. So quickly. Like, we gotta put our lights over here. Anything you wanna mount in here, our light, speed light, and anything else we're gonna put on this heavy duty light stand. Let's put it aside. Okay, and the next thing we got in this table, oh yeah, woohoo! Look at that, baby. It's Gaudox. www.gaudox.com. All right, let's see what got here. Nice pouch. I like this. Oh, nice. Woohoo! Let's open this. And 3, 2, and the winner is. Oh, it's a okay, let me not say it badly. It's parabolic. It's a parabolic. I'm gone, guys. I'm here. Come on, it's so big. It's so big. It's so big that I can't even see you guys. It's a parabolic. It's parabolic, so parabolic, and it's so 120 centimeters. Guys, we're gonna put our flash over here. We're gonna reflect it on the reflectors. We're gonna get some soft lighting. Oh my god, no, soft lighting. So as we got out the box, let's see that. So the flash is gonna enter over here like this. Come on, baby. So it's gonna be standing like, oh my god, this thing is so big. It's like so big, like you can see. Silver, reflective. Nice one. So let's put it aside. Okay, just shoot. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, just yeah. Let's see what else is coming from the bag. Here we got ourselves free. The winner is what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, I know. This is diffuser, baby. So we're gonna attach it to this thing called a parabolic umbrella. So, come on. Stop behaving. Okay, so this is how you enter. Alright, you're gonna go around and round 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 and round. Hey, hey, round and round and round and round and round. Yeah. Alright, so here we got a parabolic. Oh my god, where are you going? You are so big. I know you're big. So relax, bro. Relax, bro. Alright? You gotta relax, man. So this is the parabolic. It's so this is how it looks. This is how it looks, so big. So we have the diffuser over here. When you remove the diffuser, you can see the son of a part which reflects the light over there and get very soft light. Like this. When you use speed light and external flashes, they are so good. Use external flashes. Use external speed light. Don't use your top up thing that on your camera that pops out like bzz, bzz, bzz. So bad, flat images. Use external speed lights. Young no 516. It's good. It has a lot of things inside. So you go. Oh, it has a manual. I didn't see this coming. All right. So good, so good, so good. You're gonna. I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this. Until the next video, keep subscribing and keep liking our videos, share videos, do all over. Follow me on IG. My name is Samal Global. Samal Global, Facebook, IG, here on YouTube, Facebook, whatever guys you're watching from. I love you guys and keep it here. What else? Yes! We got milk over here. This is milk. Just not unboxing, but just milk. Toodles! Goodbye guys, this is your boy Samal Glover. Make sure you put that notification on so you can see my next videos and see you in the next video! Wow!